Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy Nate. Welcome back to another video. Yes, it is that same day, and this is about 15 minutes after the interrupted sequence in the last reaction video, which I will put a card up somewhere, wherever it is. So if you want to go check that out, do it after this one, though. You know what I'm saying? Because we got Rubix, up and coming, great. You know what I'm saying? Versus MA2T, who I'm not very familiar with. Final hip hop explosion battle. This just happened, dude. Like, this just happened, I think, a couple weeks ago or something like that. So, I'm not too late into this like I am with the Late Twins videos. Wow, the quality of this camera right here is insane. Props to that. All right, MA2T, what you got? Turn this up, though. This is pretty low. Okay, he's got a nice groove. He's got a great flow. Hey. Good, nice concept. Geez, that voice flow. He's still going with that. Ooh, that was heavy. Bro, he still played with that concept. Yo, that concept. All right, Rubix, what you got to do? What you got to put on that? I just stuttered like crazy. In the claps. 8. Yo, that was nuts. Good patience with that speed. Oh, that was nuts. You got me hyped. Come on, man. Hey. Hey. Let's go. All right, that was interesting. This MA2T guy reminds me of Wadey a lot. Because Wadey always had that flow, man. Always has that flow. This guy has a good flow, too. He's just not as fast. I hope that makes sense. All right, let's dive in. Let's dive in. Hey. Look at that, dude. He's got a... He never looks like he's stuck. Nice. Hey. Oh, the patience with that one, though. Oh. That was a little interesting, weird kind of pause, but you know, it is what it is. You look like the noodle people outside car dealerships. That little bit right there. Here, hold on. Bro, he looks like the noodle character at the car dealerships. The dudes that go like that to the wind. You know what I'm talking about. I'll put a picture in it or something. I don't know. Y'all gotta know what I'm talking about. That was a pretty solid second round, though. Wasn't like his first, but it was solid. Hold up. Oh! Separations and pauses. Okay. Ooh. Oh. That was crazy. Pause. Oh my God, dude. That is nuts. Hey. Let's go. Take your patience. Take your time. Dude, he grabbed his shirt while going down. I've never seen that. Rubix, you're on a whole nother spectrum, dude. You're on a new side. Oh, look at his patience right there. Hey, okay. Yo. They both definitely represented what they were in this. That's for sure. Like their style wise. They both showed up. Rubix. All right, that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hey, if y'all enjoy this reaction video, go show your boy some support. I'd greatly appreciate it. You know I will. But hey, listen, I'll catch y'all in the next reaction video. Take care and peace.